Hi guys. I hope you're enjoying your day. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to place a logo on a t-shirt. So without any further delay, let's get started. Open your image in the Photoshop. As you can see, I have separated the subject from the background. Now select the quick selection tool and make a selection of the t-shirt. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy of the selection. Now go to File and save the file. I will name it as Displacement. Open up your logo and adjust it as you like. Now go to Filter, Distort, and select Displace. Leave these values as it is, and hit OK. Select the displacement file we have saved earlier and hit Open. Change the blending mode of your logo layer to Multiply. Double-click on this layer to open up the layer styles. By holding Alt-click on this slider to break them apart, it will make the blend softer. Hit OK when you're satisfied. Create a new Curves adjustment layer to adjust the light of the logo. There you go. So here is the before and here is the after. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more Photoshop tips and tricks.